Sharing!
Yay! Everybody sharing! That's the way you're supposed to do it. Oh, hi, old Gordo. Hey, everyone. This is my cousin, Gordon the Gecko. Gordon is a powerful executive on Wall Street. So what do you think about
The
sharing?
richest 1% of this country owns half our country's wealth. $5 trillion.
1 trillion. 2
Shut
trillion.
up. Greed, for lack of a better word, is good. Greed works.
My dad says being greedy is bad.
Your dad wouldn't know how to pour piss out of a boot if the instructions were on the heel. This building behind me, first place I ever bought. Flipped it and made $800,000. It was better than
Hey, who wants to share a healthy after-school snack?
I want to make $800,000. Me too.
Well, first, you have to quit dressing like 9-year-old kids. Let's go buy the some little suits.